What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And for today I got right here another unique like folding chair, and it has a light right here. How cool is that? So you can have a lantern and a seat at the same time, perfect for fishing, whatever. So just fold it up, ready to go. Need a lantern, you can even use it like a lantern anyways. I guess you can even kind of make it smaller too. Kind of halfway open it, boom, if you want a shorter seat. Very cool. For some reason the bottom on and off where you sit. I have discovered 3D printed gadgets and they are so much fun. Look at that, this is the most satisfying toy. You can pull it side to side, probably better on a flat surface. Check out this lighter, it has gas in it, you refill it, and also you turn it on, nothing happens, but you shake it and it lights up, have this really wide flame, and then press this to cut off the gas. And it has right here like a plasma lighter when you shake it. Very unique. Next I got right here very interesting 3D printed chopstick support. So for those people who want to eat with chopstick and that does not feel left out at the Asian restaurant, you can put it to chopsticks like this and two, line them up, and there's a little trigger and you can use it like a regular chopstick. How cool is that? I like it. 3D printers are so unique. Definitely need to buy one and learn how to use it. Then I have right here Pringles, and it's a cup, 3D printed cup. You just remove the whole thing and hold it and take as many Pringles as you like and eat it. Boom. So instead of having like a piece of paper life hack, somebody created a 3D printed life hack right here. Just pull on it and remove the whole thing and then plug it back in. Very cool, and looks cool too. Wesson sent me a gift a while ago. This is like a little puzzle, and I actually had to figure it out how to use it, but there was also a clue I could use it, and that's where I got to. I found this one before I give up. So I love puzzles, especially cool like this. You grab that magnet and pull on this and take this off, and now you're going to grab this and remove the screw. Okay, looks like super simple puzzle. I was like, wow, that was easy. But then, whoops, then I thought it was easy, but then it's still stuck and I couldn't figure it out. So I had to look up the clue. This is actually also magnetic. So you put it right here and it locks in, and put it right here and it slides out. Boom, and we have our present or prize. They sent me a really cool knife. That was like a limited edition promo. I was just so busy, never get to film it. And there's a Wesson First G2. And this is why it doesn't work. These two notches will be locked this way. If I try to flip it over, this notch will keep it locked in here. That's such a good idea. So that's why you need the magnets to lock it up. Olight have come out with a new flashlight. Finally, this is the mini one with the USB-C. First of all, you pull on that and charge it. So this way, wait, how does this work? Okay, you open it up all the way and charge it, and then you lock it back up, and then you pull on that and have a light, and it's a magnet activated. Boom, and it goes on the keychain. Charge it, lock it back up. Very cool. I like that, because nowadays everybody have USBCs. USBs don't work, so that's awesome. I can't believe what sometimes I come across. This is a coin bank. Looks like a can with a pull tab. Probably takes them what, like 25 cents to make it, or cheaper. I filled it up with coin, and once it's full, what you do is open it like that to get your coins. Silver is almost at $60 an ounce, so these things are really cool to have. Soon enough, each one of these will be like $10. Maybe not, but yeah, now it's 1 gram and there's pretty much fractional break apart silver bars. How cool is that? They also make wallets for them. That is so unique. But the idea of it, you can stick it in your wallet and have a little bit of a fractional silver bars. 3D printed coin sorter. Check this out. So you got some coins and stick it in there, not too much, and all the coins is gonna slide down. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. And they're going to go in each place where it's supposed to. So drop some coins and then spin it, and as you can see, oh, 2 of them went over here. 1 cent will go on the first one, 5 cents will go on this couple, and 25 cents inside here. Let's put a little bit more, see if it still works. Not the most efficient, I'd say, but I think it's super unique that there's baby steps for the 3D printing coin sorters. Check this out. Oh wow, they got them all done. And whenever you're done, you can open this up and take any of these ones that is full. And one more 3D printing gadget. This is like a worm. I don't know if it's satisfying or stress relief, because it's kind of hard to put it together. That's hilarious. So there you go. This thing is so viral. Quite satisfying. I don't know. What do you guys think? If you're looking for a pen that is a full size but at the same time pretty small, there you go. It's really easy to unfold it, and now it's full size but also miniature if it's folded together. Pretty good idea. There is a new magnetic wire. Whenever you roll it up, and look, it's long. You don't have to worry about it getting tangled. It stays together. And also, if you have metal table, you can actually use it as a cord organizer. For example, I want to run the wire right here, and you see it's magnetized. So good, and I don't have to worry about it going anywhere. And it stays from top to the bottom, and I can plug it in, and I can roll it up easily too. Also, for storage purpose, I could just store it up there on the metal pegboard and be there. Check out this magnetic tray. Boom, you grab it and everything inside here. You need your tools. Ooh, it is strong. And bit drivers, little knives, pry bar, and you take it and you can lay it down. Boom. That is a good idea as well. I've been using it a lot. And for the third one, I have right here big lighter insert, a magnetic table, so that way I know where it is. So like all my essential tools are not magnetic. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.